So today's video is for runners who want to document their running progress on film without drawing needless public attention to yourselves. We can work our way up to becoming a public spectacle. I have 6 shots for you that you can use, that you can film yourself in public and not be noticed. That's the goal, to be stealth-like. And I'll also share what settings I used, because if you're going to film in a stealth-like way, you have to think about what settings you're using to produce the best quality video. But first I'm going to show you the demonstration video that I created. I ran every day for 10 days and tried out these 6 shots that I created. Here's the clip. I used dramatic music because I like to be a little dramatic. Every shot that I took for this video was handheld.
You're doing your whole run holding your GoPro in your hand.
If you put a mount on your head or on your chest, that would probably draw a little bit of attention to yourself. And the whole goal of this video is to show you how to draw the least amount of attention.
Okay, so here are the 6 shots for stealth-like running. The setup is the GoPro down on a seat, a table, or a step, and you just casually walk in front of it and get yourself ready. So you just point the GoPro at your feet while you're running. What's good about this shot, it shows motion and it gets a nice shot of your running kicks. POV run. This is the only time you will draw attention to yourself if someone sees you. You don't have to do this to make your video, but if you get the opportunity, this is the only one you have to go out on a limb. I was running in Surfers Paradise during peak season, so I went down like the residential streets. That was the time to get the side selfie. So you can do 5 seconds on one side and just put it down. If you're running in a really populated area, maybe you just don't worry about that shot. But if you're running in a park, something with a lot less people on a different day, try and get that shot. And if you're in the gym and there's no one else in the gym, quickly get that shot on the treadmill before somebody walks in. My shadow is here, put it in this hand, now aim it down. And do not look down at the screen of the GoPro, making sure that the shadow's in it, because you'll probably run into a pole and then you will really draw attention to yourself, and that's really not the goal. Just aim it at the shadow. Now the shadow's behind you, you can use this hand and aim it like that. Aim it like that! Side run is when you get one of your hands going like this. Hold it sideways. Don't hold it like this, don't hold it like that. Hold it sideways. Like that. So if you're holding it in your right hand, the idea is to shoot across your torso and get your left arm moving up and down like a runner, and you also get everything in the backgrounds moving. Put it down to the feet. Hold it to your chest and run. You run, and then you put it away. So where's the shadow? You gotta find it. So if I'm running like this, you point it down.
Thanks for watching, and I don't know what else to say. I'm going to say that this video is sponsored by something. It's sponsored by this banana bread that I made. Boom.